Hi friends, welcome to Acne Coding channel. So today we'll discuss about Impure Pipe, and the topic we'll cover is what is pipe, types of pipe, and how to create a custom pipe. So before proceeding with this video, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So what is pipe? Pipe is one of the element of Angular architecture, and it is used to transfer the data into a desired output format. As you can see in the diagram, we are giving some data as an input and the pipe giving an as a data into a transfer form. And this transformation depends on the pipe functionality and the type of pipe we are using. There are two types of pipe, pure pipe and impure pipe. In case of pure pipe, a single instance is created and it is used throughout all components. Angular only calls the pipe when it detects the change in the input parameter being passed. Whereas in case of impure pipe, multiple instances created and Angular will run the pipe on every change detection cycle regardless of change in the input parameters being passed. By default, when we create a pipe using Angular CLI, the pipe is pure pipe. And the pipes are defined using a pipe symbol. There are multiple inbuilt pipes provided by Angular that we can use in our Angular application like uppercase, lowercase, date, currency, etc. And we can pass multiple parameters on pipe separated by a colon sign. So let's create our first custom pipe. So here I have some sample application where I am showing the list of employees. As there is 3 employees, name is Pratik, Siddharth and Kunal. So we will create a custom pipe that will reverse the employee name. So what we'll do is we will create a pipe by using ng generate pipe. The name of pipe is reverse. So Angular CLI creates the pipe structure. So we will go to custom pipe folder. Here the pipes file has been created. So basic internal structure of pipe is like pipe implements the pipe transfer interface, and that has a method transfer that executes when pipe runs. So in this pipe, the input value will be a string, and we will say our output will be a string. So here, let's wait. Then reverse chain to So we'll just copy this pipe name and put into the template where we want to use it. So we want to use an apply name. We'll just put this. So when you see in the browser, our name is reverse. So our pipe is working as per our expectation. So if we want to apply a multiple pipes into our input, so we can also do that. Let's suppose first before reversing it, we want to uppercase the input imply as a input imply name. So we will make use of this inbuilt pipe uppercase, and then so it will work in sequence. Firstly, the imply name will be a converted into uppercase, and then will it be a reversed by this pipe. So it is working. So applying multiple pipes to a input value is called a chaining up. And let's, if we want to pass some arguments in a pipe, so we can do that. Let's suppose we want to to append the, you pass a parameter apply.age. As I already told you, we can pass the multiple parameters by using this colon sign. If you want to pass another parameter, we can also do by, suppose we want to append the ID. So we can do that. So here, when we will go to this pipe, we need to pass two arguments as we are passing two parameters. Suppose one, that will be a first, second. Yeah. So we are passing two parameters. So we will get these two parameters. We can get again. We are passing multiple parameters to a pipe. So here you can see in a browser, our age parameter has been appended and our ID has been appended. So it is working as per our implementation. So our custom pipe is created. There is a concept of pure and pure pipe. So by default pipes are pure. So these pipes that we has generated is pure. So that we have a, if you want to see how both pure and pure pipe working difference. So we just this one. And we will go. So here you can see as we will put the text into this search input type. So our pipe is not executed in case of pure, right? As our pure pipe depends on the input parameters. If this input parameters value imply name has changed, then our pure pipe will execute as per our definition. So it is working as per our expectation. So if we make this as a pure pipe, what will happen? We will make this pure flag false and it will make this pipe impure. So now if you go to browser and again if we type so here you can see our input value, our imply name has not been changed, but as the value of input type text has changed, our change injection cycle runs, it will also run our pipe. But this in the case of impure pipe. So by again change the value, again the change injection cycle runs and our pipe is also executed. So impure pipe is executed on every change instruction cycle regardless of input parameter being passed. So it is as per our definition. Practically, it is also work like that. Mostly, we will use pure pipe as performance perspective. It is more efficient and it makes our performance of application more In case of one or two pipes, that would not make much impact. But as our pipes number of pipes increase, so that will impact the performance of application. So pure pipe is more efficient as compared to impure pipe. That's it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.